so require some cheap labor. That means low cost labor is required so that they can get some profits. Okay. Next, they should be able to settle their children abroad. So there's rich farmers. So they think that, so they want to get their children to be educated in the abroad, that is in the foreign countries. Okay. So that may be some of the peoples have this developmental goal. So these are the two examples given in this one, but rest of the other examples should be written by yourself. So like that, they may ask some questions. So farmers who depend only on rain for growing crops. What is the developmental goal of this person? So the person, the farmer who is depending only on a rain for growing up crops, what he require? He require rains. Okay, rains in time. So his developmental goal is to get in time rains. Not only this one. So the government must supply the subsidized seeds to grow, to get at low price of seeds. So seeds should be given at subsidized rate for the farmers. Okay, so we can write your own. What are the requirements of these farmers? What is the developmental goal of these farmers, like that? Next, other example is a rural woman from a land owning family. Suppose one woman was there in the rural areas. She is having some land. So what is the developmental goal of this woman? That should be written by yourself. Okay. So like that, same here, urban unemployed youth. What is the developmental goal? So unemployed youth mainly in the towns and cities. Mainly they require some employment. Employment is their goal, and not only just employment. So from this employment, they are expecting to get good income, good wages or good salaries, so that to meet their family needs, like that. So you can write your own. Okay. So these are the developmental goals of different persons. Next here, other examples are given. Just to move forward. Yes, see here. Okay. So, okay, a boy from a rich urban family. So what is the developmental goal of this person? You can write your own. So the boy belongs to rich family, and that too in the urban areas. What is the developmental goal of this person? Okay. What is the developmental goal of this person? Example, the boy requires whatever the, so you can write your own. Okay. Next, a girl from a rich urban family. Example, the other example is given here. They only given. She gets as much freedom as her brother. So in mainly in the towns and cities, we can see even the girls also, they require equal freedom like her brother. That means going for school, going for colleges, okay, getting some cell phone, so like that. So we can see this same like her brother. She also want to get the equal freedom and is able to decide what she wants to do in the life. So we can see this in the towns and cities. This is the goal of this a girl from a rich urban family. Next, she is able to pursue her studies abroad. So these are the developmental goals, okay, required for a girl from rich family. So like that here, one more example is given. An Adivasi from Narmada Valley. So here, a tribal person was given. What is the developmental goal? So like that, we can write whatever the required. So the developmental goals that should be written. Next, here some gap is given. That means in the exam, sometimes they may give right examples for these different people have different developmental goals. So you have to write your own. So that is about this table. Okay. So just to remember. So ఇది కరెక్ట్గా విన్న వాళ్ళు రాస్తారు. ఓన్గా రాయండి అంటే ఓన్గా రాసేటట్లు ఉండాలి. లేదంటే వాళ్ళు సపరేట్ కొన్ని ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఇస్తారు. వాటికి మీరు మీ సొంతంగా ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ డెవలప్మెంటల్ గోల్స్ రాయాలి ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్లో. దట్ మీన్ అంటే ఎగ్జామ్లో. నెక్స్ట్ జస్ట్ వి మూవ్ ఫార్వర్డ్. ఎస్. సో హియర్ we are telling from that time onwards that different peoples have different developmental goals. But if you see here, in this process, some problems are there. So different persons can have different developmental goals, and two, so what may be developmental development for one may not be development for other. So it may even be destructive for others. So if you see carefully means, so here, so we are telling that every person have different persons have different developmental goals, but one person's developmental goal sometimes may be destructive for other developmental goals. Okay, so one person developmental goal will be destructive for other developmental goals. So here one example is given. So here just one labor is sitting on the downside, just he was sitting on just a small hut example. At the same time, one person is just riding a car. Okay, so those people don't want to develop. So actually, if he want to go on the road, he must destroy this or just he must destroy this hut. Then what will happen? So their developmental goal will be disturbed. Okay, but he want to go freely on the road, then the developmental goal of this person will be violated. So was thinking that these people are they don't want to develop, like that he was thinking, but actually they also want to develop. Okay, so here from this what we can understand means one person developmental goal may disturb the other. Okay, sometimes destructive. Okay, so that is the main thing in our country is happening. So just we go through some other examples. So income and other goals. So here one best example is given. So if you see here, what is the example here means a demonstration meeting against the rising of height of Sardar Sarovar Dam on river Narmada. So actually we have this river Narmada was there. On this river, a separate dam is going to be constructed. Okay, if you see here, just we can see this Narmada river. So separate dam is going to construct here, some dam. So the height of the dam is going to be increased by construction. That is the developmental goal of government. But actually they want to construct this total dam actually. Okay. Then what happened means, so that is the developmental goal of this government. But for constructing of this dam, Sardar Sarovar Dam, so the government must clear forest. Not only forest, nearly some 100 villages. 100 villages should be cleared so that to construct this project. Then what will happen? So this is the developmental goal of the government to construct the project. But here, so many number of peoples are living around this place. That is, the first one is the clearing of forest. The second one is 100 villages should be vacated from that place. Okay.